How to redeem your V-Bucks gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can redeem your V-Bucks card on Fortnite. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now in order to redeem your V-Bucks card of Epic Games or Fortnite, it's very simple. You can just go ahead and open your browser. I'll make sure to leave the link to directly redeem it in the description box. You just have to paste the link into your browser over here. Once you paste this link, which is called epicgames.com/fortnite/V-Bucks card. So as you can see at the end, we have V-Bucks card as well. Just press the go button. Make sure you're signed in with your Epic Games account as well. So it'll take you to your browser. It says redeem your V-Bucks card. So just go ahead and tap on the get started button, which is C. As soon as you tap on get started, you can see that alright, let's do this. Turn over your card and scratch off the security covering. So just go ahead and then actually enter your gift card code over here, and once you do so, tap on the next button and you would have successfully redeemed your V-Bucks card on Fortnite. That's all it takes to redeem your V-Bucks card. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.